great, beautiful, blessed, prosperous morning of December 21. 5 days to go na lang before Happy Days. Hi! I just came from church kanina. So, kalimutan ko mag okra coffee. Mango okra coffee made by France ingredients. Pure purple corn powder extra, purple okra powder extra, mango sim, moringa, spirulina, Everon, gasoline Cambodia, also known as fat burner. Sa gusto ng papasexy, physically fit and healthy, and macho like Machete or Arnold Schwarzenegger, or Incredible Hulk, or like Thor, God of Thunder, mga maskulado, macho, macho ba yun? Anyway, 30 minutes before meal time, na Magorgo coffee twice a day, morning and evening, before taking your breakfast or before taking your dinner. So, take Magorgo coffee. Maganda din siya. So, 30 minutes lang po para ma-detox o lilinisin ang colon. Kung paano nilinis ang buong katawan natin sa pag-shower, ganun din sa paglilinis sa loob ng colon natin ang Magorgo coffee, kasi sa dinami-dami kinakain natin sa labas ng preservative, yan yung kakasama sa ating kalusugan. So, with Magorgo coffee, kakles, lilinisin niya. So, you will have a good bowel movement. So, I have here, open sachet Magorgo coffee, a glass of water. Here. Then, this na lang. Wow. Mag-New Year na. Grabe piling traffic kanina. Hamong agad. Traffic na agad. Cheers. Delicious. Magorgo coffee master. Comment down below, Carlo Tan. 0921-599-4410. Not only Magorgo coffee about pangkalusugan, meron din tayo pang kabuhayan. So, kung gusto magkaroon ng mga dealer, yan, just text or call the number 0921-599-4410. Your details about gusto maging pangbubuhayan dito sa Magorgo coffee. So, thank you, God bless. Have a beautiful morning to all. Delicious. Parang Milo kasi meron siyang mocha extra. Morning, Asa.